If you're a consumer of this product here or this product here and you want to know how to make extra money here in Canada, then this video is for you. So I have recently learned of the concept of border tax that's here in Alberta, and I've actually realized that it's also applicable in other provinces here as well. I'll put a link in my description box just so you can know more details as to the particular province that actually charge this border tax and the kind of containers that are actually eligible for this program. So what this program really is whenever you go into the store, there's a markup that you will see, or rather there's an extra charge that you will see every time you buy any of these products here. And the idea really is that you will consume this product and return the empty container into the bottle depot. And as when you do, then you get a little bit of extra money. So for any bottle that's less than a liter, you get 10 cents back. And anything that's above a liter, then you get 25 cents back. So if you think about it, like for someone like me that's not able to work anywhere else, really this is a way that I can make a little bit of extra money for my piggy bag. Yeah, because sometimes you can actually make money that you can actually use to purchase your fuel. So just depending on like the kind of containers that you have, and of course, like I said, the bigger the containers, then the more money that you can actually make. So yeah, I've actually been collecting bottles. So every time I actually see a bottle somewhere lying around, I'll actually take it, put it in my bag, and then just put it and collect it, such that when I now take all the bottles that we use in my household, then I can actually make a little bit of extra money. So in this video here, I will show you what I actually do every time when I actually collect these bottles and I actually take them to the bottle depot. And then you also see how much I actually made on this particular trip that I took my bottles to the bottle depot. So I've been keeping all my bottles here in the garage. So we've got 5 on here and I have 1 already in the car. So we opened up. It's me and the bottles. So let's go to the bottle depot now. Locating the bottle depot is very easy. You just go into Google and look for the bottle depot that's closest to you. So it will bring up whichever ones that are close to you. So depending on the times and the locations, then you can go to the one that works for you. I like to go to this one just because it's closer to where I live and the times just work for us. So they will usually have like carts or some sort of something to use to carry these bottles. So initially decided I was going to use a cart for my bottles, but then later on it was probably not the greatest of ideas because some of the bottles were open. And so I decided just to muscle up and carry all the bottles into the depot myself. So when you get there, it's very easy. They just send you over to the person that's open. Then you just start opening up your bags and then the machine just starts to sort it out. So we are going to get $45. So you come here and then you scan and then it starts to give you your money. That's it, folks. We got some money. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.